This is the aftermath, right?
I sat there trying to keep a straight face.
So
We walked out. What's going on? What's that noise going on?
So the bottom line is Sean drops his guts in the room. Really, really bad. I thought
Runs to the toilet.
runs to the toilet to check his bum. I thought the solution would be to sort of like light a match and aerosol some links in the room, which set off the fire alarm.
I can't believe you didn't just go for the links.
I think I'll use roll-on from now on, shall I?
Yeah.
Really?
Did you like it?
Yeah, it was like. I didn't see the sort of heat sensitive fucking smoke over there. Fuck's sake.
I suppose walking everyone's going out. This is a fucking joke. I'm not that hard.
Honestly, everybody who's walked past the doors give me a look like fucking bastard.
All the fellas walked down that way. What the hell's going on?
What's going down? Is it a drill?
Then I saw him walking up the corridor. He went like, "Smells like links." Then he came and he went, "Smells like links."
Shit, man. I didn't realise you.
Oh yeah.
I thought it was just.
Probably like, what you been eating, man? It's stank. You stank.
Same as you.
Panic over.
So if I left more off, it's just going to.
It wouldn't go off. You know what scared me most? I went out and looked out the window, and the whole complex was actually running outside. Oh fuck! It's a whole building. When did the fire service turn up?
No, I thought we were going to end up with black splashing lights.
Probably in the way, it's just too far away from here that quick.
Anyhow, good night.
Good logic. Good logic.